All right, so today we're going to be looking at how to solve two-step equations. I'm going to do two examples for y'all because this is stuff we've already done in the past. It's just review. The first example we're going to look at will be something like 3x minus 10 equals 9. And the other one will be reversed, okay? 10 minus 3x equals 9. Everything else, just remember to follow order of operations, okay? So here we have 3x minus 10 equals 9. We're trying to solve for x. We're multiplying it by 3, but then we're also subtracting by 10. So we first got to get rid of the negative 10, okay, or the minus 10. So we're going to add 10 to both sides, right? That's what we've been doing. Negative 10 plus 10, that's 0. So we have 3x equals 9 plus 10 is 19. Now, we did this in the last video, right? 3 times the number is equal to 19. What's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. So you divide both sides by 3. That's a 1. So x equals 19 thirds. Easy as that. Now this other problem, 10 minus 3x equals 9, I'm going to be real with you right now. I'm going to show you what is a common mistake a lot of people do, okay? So we want to get rid of the 10 first because dividing is always the last thing you're going to do in any problem that you're like solving for x. So we're going to take away 10 from both sides of the equation, okay? So 9 minus 10 is negative 1. Now, a lot of people forget that this is actually a negative 3x. A lot of people would just write 3x here, but you forgot the negative. It's a negative 3x, okay? The opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing by negative 3. That's a 1. So x equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and so this just becomes 1/3. Please don't use decimals, leave them as fractions, okay? They're going to be your friends next year. But that is how you solve two-step equations, okay? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an email or anything, okay? Or